Jeanette. So, hello everyone, welcome back to Simple Cooking Recipe. In this video, I want to share about a simple cooking recipe that is a Jumeokbap. If you don't know, Jumeokbap is a Korean rice bowl. It made from rice and some ingredients. But before I share about the recipe, I want to remind you to don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Alright, let's cook the Jumeokbap. Done making a Jumeokbap, a Korean rice bowl, and now I want to review and share about the taste of Jumeokbap. And this is the look of a Jumeokbap, and I put a Korean flag as a garnish to make it cute. And you can eat a Jumeokbap as a breakfast, or if you have children, you want to make a Jumeokbap for his or her lunch. This is a good choice. Or if you want a quick lunch, you can eat a Jumeokbap. Okay, I want to try. For this Jumeokbap, I use some ingredients like seaweed, carrot, and sausage. And for the rice, I season with soy sauce, sesame oil, and sesame seeds. Okay, let's try. Masih so. The taste is salty and yummy, of course. if you want to have a more tasty, you can put like kimchi or bulgogi for the Jumeokbap. It's more tasty, but today I only use a sausage as the meat. Or if you don't want to use a meat, you can mix all the vegetable and seaweed with the rice. It's also nice and yummy. If you're curious about the taste of Jumeokbap, you can try at home from the food recipe I shared before. And for all who watching this video, thank you. 감사합니다. 행복한 요리, happy cooking. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.